Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix LG monitor no sound or audio issue. So first, what you have to do is to verify the speaker presence. Confirm whether your LG monitor actually has built-in speakers. Check the specifications on LG's website or in the user manual. Some LG monitors only have an audio out jack for headphones. If you have verified it, there are only two fixes. So first, on your machine, go to your taskbar on the lower right corner of the screen. Click on the sound icon, and then here, this will pop up. So this is the control panel. And then here on the volume slider on the right side of it, you will see a select a sound output button. So click on it, and then here for the output device, make sure your LG TV or monitor model name is selected. So select on it and try to test it and see if it works. If it doesn't, all you need to do is to troubleshoot it using the troubleshooter. Go to Windows and then search for sound troubleshoot. And then on the search results, just click the first one. And then here, click next. And it will automatically detect the problem. If you have an outdated driver, it will automatically fix it. And then here, which of these devices you want to troubleshoot, just click on your LG device, find it here, and then click next. And basically that's it.